working on the car again, and it's hot today in Mississippi. Got the engine back in the engine bay, well, the short block, and we still have to put on the heads. And as you can see, well, bolts behind the block where the bell housing connect, it's a little tight back there, and I don't have much room to work with. So with the heads on, I can't necessarily get to those bolts, and so I decided to do the heads last. The heads still need valve springs installed with retainers, at least on this head. So went ahead and put those on, got that head back together, inspected everything, made sure everything was just like it needed to be. So I put those heads on, new head gaskets, new head bolts, torqued everything down, marked everything, and double checked. Tightened down my rockers, and kind of went back through things and made sure everything was tight and motor mounts were good and solid. Then I used some brake-in fluid. Got the radiator back in, intake manifold, accessories, radiator hose, which may have to get trimmed up, and I was able to use the factory 06 Silverado radiator hose on this, which was really convenient. Hood's not on, engine's in, everything's just kind of temporarily rigged back up. I still gotta tighten up and tuck in the wires. I gotta put the intake tube back on. I gotta add, well, I think I have enough coolant in there for now. I had to burp the air out of the system. I may end up,
I see babies.
yeah, I'll get to it later. I may have to modify this tube a little bit, we'll see. Brake booster, stuff to put a brake booster on, so right now I just have this capped off. We have no brakes, so can't even drive it for a test drive right now. But it runs on all 8 cylinders. That's great, so I'm going to crank it up and let you hear it.